UseMagazines.com to find niches. If you're looking for ways to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to be able to find niches, areas of a topic that are small enough to get some ranking, but not so small that there's no one buying them. After all, you're in this to make some money, so you need to find new niches constantly. One way to look for new niches is through magazines that also target niches. There are hundreds of magazines on a wide variety of topics, and many of them specialize to focus on niche markets. But going down to a local big bookstore to browse can be time-consuming, and they may not have the variety you need. Fortunately, there's a website that specializes in selling magazine subscriptions, and it's a treasure trove of information for the niche marketer. It's found on Magazines.com. At the site, you can browse through magazines by category, and they have hundreds of categories to look through. Once you find a category you want to browse, you click through to the actual magazine display lists, which feature sample titles and covers. If you click on a cover, you're taken to a magazine-specific page that gives a short but detailed description about the focus of the magazine. But that's not all. You'll also find a customer review tab that features a customer review summary and lets you read the individual reviews at length to get an idea of who reads the magazine, what they find useful, and so on. At this level, there's also a related products tab that displays just that. Other magazines in the same general area of subject matter but have a different theme, target audience, or purpose. You don't have to spend much time at the site browsing the categories you're interested in before you make a discovery. One of those aha moments where you come across an idea for a niche that you never thought of before. It's fun, it's free, it's a super research tool, so use Magazines.com to find niches. The success of your affiliate marketing effort depends on it.